In a world that thrives on distraction, where every move is scrutinized and every word dissected, Meghan, Duchess of Sussex, is proving that the secret to success isn't in clapping back at critics, but in keeping your eyes firmly on the prize. That's according to J.P. Carnable, right? This year alone, Meghan has launched not one, not two, but three major ventures. Her Netflix series With Love Meghan, her lifestyle brand As Ever, and now Confessions of a Female Founder, a new podcast with Lemonade Media set to debut in April. While some waste energy in endless battles over public perception, Meghan is taking a different route. She's letting the work speak for itself. And if there's one lesson to take from her playbook, it's this: cut out the noise, focus on what truly matters, and watch the magic happen. With Love Meghan isn't just about recipes. It's a love letter to nostalgia, connection, and the simple joys of life. A deeply personal project showcasing not just food, but the power of storytelling. Her lifestyle brand, As Ever, follows the same philosophy: mindful, intentional living. It's not just another celebrity label. It's a statement, a brand built on values, authenticity, and purpose. While details remain on the wraps, the excitement surrounding it proves Meghan understands a fundamental truth. Real success isn't about pleasing everyone. Definitely not. Everybody have their little niches. Everybody have their audiences. So, it's about creating something meaningful and standing by it. And as I spoke to you about what As Ever's With Love Meghan, you see she's in the top 10. She has 2.6 million household that minutes watched, to 12.6 million household watching it. So guys, she is doing great. And now comes Confession of a Female Founder, a podcast dedicated to the realities of being a woman in business. This isn't just another celebrity chat show. It's a platform for raw, unfiltered conversations about the highs and lows of entrepreneurship. Meghan is teaming up with Lemonade Media to amplify women's voices, uncover their struggles, and celebrate their triumphs without the usual media distortions. But here's the real lesson. Meghan refuses to engage in negativity. Instead of playing defense, she's playing to her strengths. She's proving that real power isn't about responding to every critic. It's about moving forward, eyes locked on the goal. As they always say, put your eyes on the prize. You know what you're going for. Leave the distraction alone. How often do we let the noise distract us? How often do we waste energy worrying about what others think instead of channeling that energy into our goals, right? How often do we do that? Meghan's approach is proof that when you stop explaining yourself, when you quit trying to win over people who will never be satisfied, when you focus on building rather than battling, you win. 3 major projects, all different, all rooted in passion, all carrying her signature commitment to authenticity. No Twitter wars, no reactive interviews, no attempts to rewrite headlines, just doing the work. If there's one thing Meghan Sussex is showing the world, it's this: True success isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about standing firm in your purpose, creating something that lasts, and staying too busy making things happen to even hear the noise. Yes, guys, that's what we all need to focus on. Forget the noise. Don't listen to them. They're just loud, 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 loud. Always on top of their voices, just trying to be seen. But you know what Meghan does? They always say, keep things on the wraps until you're ready to bring it to the public. And that's what she's doing. She's ignoring the noise. They're not paying her bills. Well, in a sense, they are paying our bills, right? Because the more engagement she's getting, the more money goes into her pocket. So, more power to you, Megan. More money in your pocket, more money in the banks, and that's what this is all about. So, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you never miss a beat. Bye.